Got engine hiccups? Let's zap those troubles with some spark plug and ignition coil knowledge. Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today on the Car Hub, we're diving into spark plugs and ignition coils. These little heroes ignite the fuel in your engine, making your car go vroom. First up, spark plugs. They create a tiny explosion by sparking the air-fuel mix in your engine. Over time, they wear out, causing misfires or rough idling. Check them every 30,000 miles and replace if needed. Next, ignition coils. These amplify the battery's voltage to create that spark. If your car's fuel efficiency drops or you hear strange noises, it might be time to check them out. Maintaining these parts is simple. For spark plugs, just unscrew the old one and pop in a new one. For ignition coils, unplug and replace. Easy peasy. Got engine issues? These simple checks can save you a trip to the mechanic. Like, comment, and subscribe for more car care tips from the Car Hub. Thanks for watching.